My name is Jocelyn. I am from CA Systems of Gilroy, and today I will be grilling shrimp kebabs. But before that, I'd like to introduce to you first to Saladmaster products that I really like. For this dish, I'll be using the smokeless grill and show you how to use it. It comes with an electrical cord. All you have to do is attach this cord. It comes with electrical element inside in there, and then this grill that you can put on top. But first we have to put water. There is a line inside this that you can follow. We're putting this water just so we can keep the moist in our food. So I guess that should be enough. Another Saladmaster product that I want to utilize for today is this bowl. I like this product because it keeps your salad or any food that you want to keep cold. You can put it in your refrigerator, and the whole wall keeps your food cold. So for now, we'll go back to the ingredients. We will be using squash. We'll have the yellow squash and zucchini, a good source of water. It's 90% water. We'll be using red onions. It has anti-inflammatory properties and also antibiotics properties, as well as the red bell peppers. Also has a good source of vitamin C, and we are also using mushrooms and also shrimp. Good source of iodine. For people like me who has thyroid issues, this would be a good food for that. Also, I'll be using a dressing that is plant-based. If you don't have time to make your own marinade, you can just buy this. Otherwise, you can use olive oil, some garlic, or salt and pepper to taste. And also you can add a little bit of chili flakes to marinate your ingredients. Also, I have these skewers here that I soak for a couple of hours. That way, product will not get burnt in the grill. So let's start cooking. Starting to put them in a skewer. You can put this food in order, whatever order you like. It'll be prettier, more color, prettier it is. So we'll be doing red pepper first, and then squash. Follow it with onions. Goes my shrimp, the source of iodine. There you go. And then maybe mushroom. Go. And another red pepper. Beautiful color. And zucchini. There you go. That. And maybe another shrimp. By the way, the shrimp, I left the tail on. That way, the tail doesn't get burned. So, this is how I like to grill. Put it in the skewer. Finished product, your grilled shrimp kebab. Thank you for watching. See you next time.